Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ebike display is probably one of the most important components on your Ebike, acting as your window to all the essential riding data and controls. A good display keeps you informed about your speed, battery life, distance traveled, and assist level, ensuring a safe and enjoyable ride. Choosing the right display can significantly impact your overall Ebike experience, from simple navigation to advanced performance metrics, so let's dive into what makes a display truly great. Number 5. BAFANG DPC18 Ebike Display. This is the BAFANG DPC18 Ebike display, designed for a seamless riding experience. It's compatible with BAFANG BBS01, BBS02, and BBS HD mid-drive motors, offering smooth and efficient control. Enjoy a clear view of your riding data with its 3.5-inch HD LCD screen. It's easy to read, even in bright sunlight. It automatically adjusts brightness based on the surrounding light. This ensures optimal readability in any condition, day or night. Never worry about a low phone battery again. It features a convenient USB output for charging your phone while you ride. With its IPX5 waterproof rating, it can handle light rain and splashes. Keep riding, rain or shine. It provides 0 to 9 levels of pedal assist, allowing you to customize your riding experience to match your needs and preferences. Please double-check compatibility. It is specifically designed for BAFANG BBS01, BBS02, and BBS HD mid-drive motors and may not work with other motor systems. What we like. It boasts a large, clear screen and adjusts brightness automatically for optimal visibility in any lighting conditions. Plus, it has a handy USB port for charging your phone on the go. If you prioritize a crisp display and convenient charging, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The BAFANG DPC18 display was well packaged. You will need a small Allen wrench to install. There is no instructions which installing the display and power switch was simple enough on the handlebars. Also cable routing, use common sense and turn the bars completely to avoid any binding. The zip ties helped with securing cables. Not only did it power up. It's simple to use and the Ebike has much more speed. It also has the USB to change my phone or Bluetooth speaker. The functionality is extensive and very usable. Number 4. BAFANG 500C Ebike Display. This display is designed for easy integration with your BAFANG mid-drive motor. It provides all the essential information you need for a smooth and enjoyable ride. It seamlessly works with various BAFANG motors using the UART protocol. Enjoy a simple installation process and worry-free compatibility. See your speed, battery life, and more at a glance. Customize the display to show exactly what's important to you. Installation is quick and easy, taking only seconds. The clear display makes reading information simple, even in direct sunlight. Get all the key data you need, instantly and clearly. No more squinting or struggling to read vital information. It's built to withstand the elements with its IP64 waterproof rating. Ride with confidence, rain or shine. We're here to help before and after your purchase. Contact us if you have any questions or need assistance. What we like. This display is compatible with various motors and is incredibly user-friendly, making setup a breeze. Its robust waterproof design ensures reliable performance, rain or shine. If you need a simple, durable, and widely compatible display, this one's for you. What people say. Good design, nice functionality. The 500C was easy to install and set up. Seems to be working really well and looks good. I really like the 0 to 9 power option for the pedal assist. With 0 to 5 it seemed like the differences were too great and made it difficult to maintain control going up steep, rough slopes. Very nice display. Easy to read even in sunlight. Plus and minus buttons are big enough for gloved hands. Number 3. BAFANG BBS0248V750W, Mid-Drive Kit. It fits a wide variety of bikes, from mountain bikes to road bikes. Just make sure you have the right bottom bracket size, 68 to 73 mm in length and 34 to 36 mm internal diameter. With a powerful motor, it easily handles hills and can reach impressive speeds. It's perfect for anyone who wants a smooth, powerful ride. Installation is simple thanks to the included video and instructions. You'll be riding your e-bike in no time. Choose between e-bike, pedal assist, and push assist modes to customize your ride. Enjoy the flexibility and convenience it offers. Everything you need is included, from the motor and display to the cables and tools. It's ready to transform your bike. We have local warehouses and a North American service center for quick support and maintenance. We're here to help if you have any issues. What we like. This kit offers a powerful motor for conquering hills and comes with everything you need for a smooth installation. It's perfect for building your own e-bike from scratch. If you want a powerful and comprehensive e-bike conversion kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The motor is solid. It is powerful and street legal in my state. The components in the kit are high quality. 500W motor plus 48V battery equals super power assist on hills. Number 2. KT LCD 3 Ebike Display. This smart display is compatible with various voltage levels and automatically adjusts to your e-bike's battery. It's designed for easy use and seamless integration with your system. It boasts a sturdy build, waterproof casing, and resistance to wear and tear. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. It provides a wealth of information, including speed, mileage, riding time, gear level, and battery status. Stay informed about your ride at a glance. Easily adjust parameters to perfectly match your bike's PAS system. Detailed tutorials are available online or by contacting our support team. We ship from Amazon warehouses for fast delivery. If you have any questions or need assistance, our customer support team is available 24/7. Need a personalized setup? We offer DIY custom services. Just let us know your requirements, and we'll help you create the perfect display for your needs. What we like. It's compatible with various voltages and provides a wealth of riding data. You can even customize parameters for a perfect fit. If you need a versatile and highly customizable display, this is a great option. What people say. So this new KT LCD 3 has been hooked into my current electric XP 1.0 e-bike with its compatibility of the KT sine wave controllers and BAFANG 48V 1000W motor. So far no problems at all and hasn't caused my e-bike to shut off, unlike the previous KT LCD 8H display which was giving me a hard time of constant shutoffs. Exact replacement plus USB port. Number 1. KT LED 900S e-bike display. This e-bike display keeps you informed on your rides. It's easy to use and provides all the essential information you need. See your speed and battery level clearly, even in bright sunlight. The LEDs make it easy to read at a glance. Use the simple up and down buttons to easily adjust your PAS gears. It's intuitive and convenient. Long press the up or down button to activate the headlight or the 6 km push assist function. It's all at your fingertips. For LEDs clearly show your battery level. A flashing light indicates low power, so you'll always know when to recharge. It has a built-in safety feature. When the battery is critically low, it automatically shuts down to protect the system. We ship from Amazon warehouses for quick delivery. Contact us with any questions, we're here to help. Need something specific? We offer DIY custom services. Just let us know your requirements. Please check the controller label to ensure compatibility before purchase. Watch the video on our homepage for more details. What we like. This display uses bright LEDs for clear visibility and allows easy adjustment of PAS levels and headlight control. If you value a simple, intuitive LED display with added control features, this is a great choice. What people say. Work excellent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.